Okay, so hello everyone. I welcomes you to the next video of AWS Cloud Services, AWS Associate course. And after completing this course, as I have earlier said, you will be applicable to give the exam of SA CO03, which is the associate course. And in this console tool segment part of the video, I will show you some basic UI or some basic features which we can see after you have. I assume that you all have logged in your account of AWS. After the login pay, after you log in your account, you all will see this interface on your laptop screen or computer screen. So in last video, as I have said that the region segment I have explained. So you can see here I have selected the Mumbai Asia Pacific Mumbai region part. You all can select different regions as this is nearer region to me, and so I have selected this part. After selecting the region segment, you all can see different type of services AWS provides us. Some recently visited services you all can see on my screen. Some are like EC2, Elastic Beanstalk, and IAM Pipeline. These are the services those services I have recently visited. After that, you all can see the segment of welcome. This is the welcome segment of the that they are getting started with. You all can see that by yourself. In this segment, AWS Health, it will show you that if some issues arises there, and this segment you have to keep in notice of cost and usage. In case if you have used some services which are chargeable, then the charges will be shown here. And as you can see that I have used these two services and there are no charges because I have not exceeded their given time limit. You can just explore this segment. These are for these are just you can read and understand. These are not some major thing to understand here. And I will show you some services such as you can click. This is the home page, and you can click on services, and you can see that there are many services given here. You all can access any services and learn many services. Okay, and for example, in last video I have said that if you will select some region where some services are available and in some other region the same services are not available. One major example I will show you is that of blockchain. Amazon provide this service of Amazon managed blockchain, which is not available in our Mumbai Asia Pacific Mumbai region, which you all can see. This region is unsupported here. As I have said in the last video, you all can relate to that. And as we can see, some other services such as analytics, customer enablement, database is available here. You all can use database and understand many new things. And after that, machine learning is available. Robotics. After for such some example, some services I will choose from here. That EC2 I have here chosen. EC2 by choosing EC2 I can see our EC2 dashboard, and here you all can see that if any instance I have created or it is in running stage or not. So right now I have 0 instances are running. You all will understand that what I am saying, what is running instance, what is elastic IP, load balancers. You all after joining with me with my course, you all will slowly understand that what these all things mean and how you all will be so much related to these all new words or these things. Actually this video was just for the overview, and you have to get you I have to just get you all familiar with the AWS console homepage. So that's all from my side. Hope you liked this video, and we will meet in the next video with some new things on AWS. Okay, then thank you everyone.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.